Minutes already. But anyway, good morning. Good morning. Hello, kindergarteners. We're going to do another math lesson with your math coach, Miss Akins. Last week, I introduced you to the tens, and we used the 10 chips to make tens. Now we're going to do a quick review on that. Then I will give you the numbers. And I'm going to use my hands. 10 and 0 makes 10. 9 and what number makes 10? 9 and 1 makes 10. Now, let's look at the number 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus how many makes 10? You're right. 8 and 2 makes 10. So if you have 8 plus 2, it's 10. Now we're moving on to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and how many makes 10? If you have 7, you need how many more to make 10? You're absolutely correct. 7 and 3 makes 10. Let's review again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many makes 10? If you look at 6, how many fingers you have down? You're correct. 4. 6 and 4 makes 10. Now 5 and what number makes 10? Yay, you did it. 5 and 5 makes 10. 4, how many fingers down? 6. So 4 and 6 makes 10. Now, 3 up, how many down? 7. You got it, boys and girls. 3 and 7 makes 10. 2 fingers up, 8 fingers down. So 2 and 8 makes 10. 1 finger up, 9 fingers down. 1 and 9 makes 10. Thank you, boys and girls, for that review. Now I'm going to put out, I found these. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And parents, you can make these out of paper, any kind of paper at home. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me do it in a 10 frame like I showed last week. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the 10 frame. The 0 is by itself because 0 means nothing. And I want you to see this is what they're learning in school, the 10 frame. This is called a 10 frame. We didn't learn this way when we were growing up, parents, but this is what they're learning, the 10 frame. 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, so this is the 0. So you see my numbers. I'm sorry because I'm trying to do both. So you have to ask your boys and girls, your students, your children, rather. They're your students now. But 0 plus what makes 10? 0 and 10 equals 10. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. Now you go to the number 1. your child, one plus what equals 10? Give them a minute to think about it, parents. You're going to ask them 1 plus what equals 10. And they should be able to tell you 1 plus 9 equals 10. And then you can have them demonstrate this using their fingers. That's the great thing about learning about numbers within 10, because they can use their fingers or their toes, whatever it takes to learn math. So 1 and 9 equals 10. So if you have 1 plus 9, it equals 10. Now I'm going to go to the number 2. 2 plus what number equals 10? So you're going to give them time to think about it. They can use their finger, use any strategy. They can draw a picture. I always tell my granddaughter, draw a picture. So 2 plus how many equals 10? And she also uses her fingers a lot. So 2, you're right. 2 plus 8 is 10. So if you have the number pairs 8 and 2, it makes 10. Now, my dojo video time is running out, but I'm going to stay with the live until I finish. 3, next number is 3. You're going to ask your child, 3 and what makes 10? Yippee! Yes, 3 and 7 makes 10. Move along. 4, give them a minute to think about it. 4 and what number makes 10? You're absolutely correct. 4 and 6 is 10. And you continue the pattern, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, and so forth.